My teeth were so bad that in Ontario there was nothing they could do to fix my jawline or the missing teeth. I had in total 11 missing teeth. My jaw didn't line up properly and it was just a bloody mess. Seeing a smile with holes and gaps and not being able to chew properly, that made me very self-conscious of smiling. I would really try and cover my mouth. So then we came to Alberta and we decided, let's try and find someone to do something about it. And we got to meet Dr. Sumar at his old office in downtown Edmonton, where we began a very long relationship working with the three of them to create the smile you're seeing today. You want to know that you can trust the person that's working on your mouth. So having that educational piece and also the patience to explain it to someone who is not a specialist made me feel 1,000 times more comfortable in what they were doing. And the fact that Dr. Sumar was able to keep a lot of my original teeth and just enhance what needed to be fixed, I love my smile. I really do. And everyone always comments on how natural it looks, and yeah, I love my smile right now. The overall love of this clinic towards their patients, out of this world.